Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And what is definitely hot is the Omicron COVID variant that's feverish, that's percolating, that is dictating the direction of the stock markets, but not according to pub owner and brewing company Marstons, which tells us that the worst of the pandemic is now over. Trading now exceeding 2019 levels. So I'm wondering if Marston supplies the Tan Hill Inn, that's the highest inn in the United Kingdom, where Oasis tribute bands and their fans spent 3 days snowed in. So let's have a look. Tan Hill Inn supplies Black Sheep, Theakston Old Peculiar, Thatcher's, Stowford Press, so no Marstons labels. And this is Marston's portfolio. Okay, so let's have a look at the share price of Marstons. It said trading is above the 2019 level. So let's have a look at the 2-year chart, and the current share price is trading at the level that they were at in March 2020. However, Marstons has a lot of debt. So investors might be raising a half glass to their strategy, which is back to $1 billion, sales above $1 billion, borrowings below $1 billion, but the caveat is by the year 2025. So about just over 3 years' time. Now, I love a good pint me, and Jack Dorsey loves Twitter. This is the company that he co-founded, and on the social media platform, he sent out the "I love Twitter" tweet before he stepped down. Now, he could spend the time reading the almost 8,000 comments that were attached to that tweet, or he could focus on the payment system Square that he is also the chief executive of. And to be fair, the stock is a little bit inconsistent. Now, it's getting to that time of the year where we're predicting what the trading themes of next year will be, but my argument is if they've already been identified, then they're already trading themes. So none of these highlighted by Global X ETFs should come as a surprise, really. Renewable energy and clean tech, e-commerce, electric vehicles and lithium, cloud computing and cybersecurity. So in terms of cybersecurity, GBG has fared well. If you're not familiar with the company, it has got a huge market cap. It's one of the UK's largest listed software companies. It's involved with location intelligence, identity verification, and fraud detection. Now, in November, it raised about £300 million, but it annoyed some long-term shareholders who were seemingly unaware that any fundraising was going on. So the communications department of GBG are having their knuckles wrapped. Now, with Omicron causing so much disruption, and we are seeing a reversal in the stock prices of so many airlines, I'm keeping an eye on the former stock market darling Aviation. Now, it leases commercial aircraft. It was widely expected the company would be sold last April, and then you know what happened. Well, in October, the company talked of recovery and growth. So here is a cautious glass being raised to your optimism and your continued good humour. Now, it has come to my attention that some of the regular viewers of this video haven't been keeping very well. So I'm sending all my best to you. I hope that you're not going to be struck down with COVID for too much longer. And just for you, I have gone back to my previous location. Though if you could see what was surrounding me, you'd know that I had to climb over many piles of boxes. In any case, you don't need to know about that, but I want you to get better and get well soon. Take care. I'll be back same time next week.